This is the first generation of the Chevy Cruze, and if you need to add or replace brake fluid, here is the brake fluid tank, and you have it written here what type of fluid you need. It's .3 fluid only. So .4, .5 are not acceptable in these cars, only .3. And I strongly recommend buying OEM Chevy fluid for these vehicles and only using any other .3 to refill if you need it. So if you see that the level is low and you get the warnings, you get the lights on the dash, then in this case you can buy any .3 fluid and add to the level. Here is the maximum level marked here. So it's very important to use the proper brake fluid, because otherwise you may damage your brakes, and that's gonna be very expensive for you and also dangerous, so may affect safety of driving in your vehicle.